Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic many of you have been asking about, the easiest way to get Canada PR, a step-by-step process. Canada's permanent residency offers incredible opportunities, and we're here to break down exactly how you can achieve it. First things first, understanding the express entry system is crucial. This is Canada's main way of managing skilled worker applications. It's a points-based system, so factors like your age, education, work experience, and language proficiency in English or French all contribute to your comprehensive ranking system, or CRS, score. The higher your score, the better your chances. Step 1. Assess your eligibility. Before anything else, you need to determine if you meet the basic requirements for one of the three main express entry programs: the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, or the Canadian Experience class. Each has specific criteria, so make sure to check which one aligns with your profile. Step 2. Gather your documents. This is where preparation is key. You'll need educational credential assessments, language test results IELTS or CELPIT for English, TF or TCF for French, and potentially police certificates and medical exams later on. Start gathering these early to avoid delays. Step 3. Create your express entry profile. Once you have your documents ready, you can create an online profile. Be meticulous with your details, as any inaccuracies can lead to issues down the line. This profile will then be entered into the express entry pool. Step 4. Improve your CRS score. While in the pool, you can actively work on boosting your score. This could mean improving your language test results, gaining more work experience, or even securing a Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) nomination, which adds a significant 600 points to your score. Step 5. Receive an invitation to apply, or ITA. If your CRS score is high enough in one of the express entry draws, you'll receive an ITA. This is your green light to submit a full application for permanent residency. Step 6. Submit your PR application. You'll have a limited time, usually 60 days, to submit your complete application along with all supporting documents. Double-check everything before submission. Step 7. Await a decision. After submission, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, will review your application. This processing time can vary, but typically takes a few months. Step 8. Receive confirmation of permanent residence. Once approved, you'll receive your confirmation of permanent residence, or COPR, and your permanent resident visa if you're from a visa-required country. Congratulations, you've made it. For personalised guidance and expert assistance with your Canada PR application, don't hesitate to reach out to SKBizcon@gmail.com. They can provide tailored advice to help you navigate this complex process successfully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on immigration and living in Canada. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.